Hi, my name is Stacy, and today we're going to start our journey in understanding math from a basic perspective and just understand the 10 base number system and getting a feel for how to grasp different concepts from the very beginning. So very, very basic, so that you can finally get to the bottom of understanding why math no longer say that it's difficult, because if you learn it, it's no longer difficult. So just have in mind that you are going to learn it. So come with an expectation to change your mind and your view about math. Because I think a lot of times people get discouraged because they say, math, oh my God, this giant that I gotta knock down. So think, it's gonna be okay, because if David can knock down Goliath, the Philistine from the Bible, with one stone, you can use this one tool, this one video, to help you get a grasp of math once and for all. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching in advance, and let's get started. So I'm going to share my screen. With you. I guess I should be ready, huh? Okay, so I want to continue by talking to you about factors. So factors is a concept, or it's a thing, it's a number where you multiply it to another factor, and when you multiply those two numbers together, those two factors together, create a product. So the end result of two factors being multiplied is a product. So as you see on the board here, I have the number 4, and I split it up into two factors. That's what this sort of upside down V, or TP, is. It's pointing to each factor. Okay, so if I were to write the number 6, I can break up the number 6 into two factors, factor 2 and factor 3. And we already know that 2 times 3 is 6, right? So this is just a factor, what they call a factor tree. But it only has 2 roots. Now, so what I'm saying is that factors are the roots of a number. So I'm going to use that understanding interchangeably. Factors can also be looked at as roots. Okay, so when you look at a tree, the number is the actual tree, or the base of the tree, and its factors are the roots, the root structure. Okay, so I want you to think about that, because we're going to go more deeply into roots and things like that, but right now we're going to call them factors. So the root of a number, so the roots of 4 is 2 and 2. And notice that the number 2 is repeated twice. Okay, so it's a repeated root. All right, so although they're separate branches of the tree, they have the same value. Okay, so we're going to talk more about roots, but I want to just continue saying the word factors, because we're going to talk about factors of a number. Okay, so let's continue on and do some more of these factors, like the number 9. So let me undo that and use my green. The factor 9 can be broken down into 2 factors. Can you guess what 2 factors that is? 3 and 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so I want you to try to do a factor tree for the next couple of numbers. I'm going to say the number 15, and then also the number 21. Okay, so they break up into 2 factors, and you can pause the video right here, and then I will come back and give you the factors of 15 and 21. Okay, so the factors of 15 is 3 times 5, all right? And the factors of 21 is 3 times 7. Okay? All right. That concludes this very first lesson on factors. Factors are just numbers, and it requires another number to be multiplied to make a product. So a product is the result of multiplying numbers. Okay? So the product is the result of multiplying 2 factors. It could be 2 or more factors, but at least 2. It takes 2 to make a product. So I can leave it as singular form. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.